Welcome back, everybody. Another video, impromptu, because we have Black Friday specials on Blackstone at Walmart. Disclaimer, I'm doing this with the iPhone. The audio might not be the best, but we just want to bring this excitement to you as soon as possible. It's going to be a really exciting weekend, but the things that I can tell you about right now are these. The Blackstone tabletop pizza oven with a 13-inch rotating stone. Regular price, $279. These are only $147. So as of right now, you're watching this video, $147 while supplies last. I've told lots of people this is my favorite pizza oven. It does everything that the big pizza oven does, but at a fraction of the cost. I just started heating my pizza oven up. Let's do a random stone temperature so you can see what kind of temperatures you can achieve. Look at that. We're already up to 609 degrees. You can get close to 1,000 degrees on this stone, and you're never going to see another price like $147 again. This is live at walmart.com right now, and backed by popular demand, the 25-piece tool kits. Blackstone has had these at Walmart for a couple of years now. $39.97 right now. Part of the Black Friday special. It has everything. It has a hamburger spatula. It has a set of spatulas. It has a rear grease gate, a set of tongs. It has 2 squeeze bottles. It has egg rings. It has scrub pads, grease cup liners. It has a scrub handle. It has everything. These cool serving trays. Did I say that already? So 39 bucks. These are huge. Blackstone has done these, I think, 3 years in a row now at walmart.com for Black Friday. So boom, $140 worth of accessories for $39.97. And there's one more thing, Black Friday, which is right now a 2-burner Blackstone griddle, 28-inch griddle with a hardcover. This is insane, $147. I don't have that on me right here, but you've seen me use the 2-burner before. 28-inch with the hardcover, $147. Insane. So walmart.com right now for the 28-inch, $147 for the pizza oven, and $39.97 for the 25-piece tool kit. It's getting windy out here. They're calling for a winter storm tomorrow. So there you go. All 3 of these things, Black Friday specials right now at walmart.com while supplies last. Stay tuned. I'm probably going to be going live on a Blackstone Facebook live stream on Friday to talk about all this, but some other super, even more, can you believe it, even more exciting stuff for Cyber Monday. I even pulled out my vintage Walmart tree lot hat that I got at a show years ago. So stay tuned, everybody. Wanted to bring this to you here first. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone Griddle and Pizza Oven, of course.